Here is a mounting bracket that came with that Hunter original ceiling fan when I bought it. I don't know if this bracket is made by Hunter or not, but this is a terrifying bracket. I was going to put the original back on the ceiling to save some floor space, and I'm looking at this bracket and I just had a bad feeling about it. And I'm looking at it a little closer and I'm saying, you know, something is kind of weird about the way this is held on, because if it's not showing up too well on the camera, but if you notice here, these bolts are not wider than this cutout here, okay? And I'm looking at this and I'm saying, geez, this is moving. This is flexing. And I'm thinking, you know, something that's holding a cast iron fan above my head should not be flexing that easily. So I proceeded to break off these bolts, break them free, and remove them. And I made the discovery that I thought may be the case. I've used this bracket for a while. All this time, the fan is dangling by that tab. That's it. Just that tab. I believe these fans weigh about 50-60 pounds a piece. And that's it. That little tab was holding it on. Unbelievable. I don't know, like I said, I don't know where this bracket even came from, but this bracket was sold to me with the fan, and shame on whoever sold this bracket, because this could have been deadly. It really could have. And I mean, a simple analysis of the thing should show you that there's something wrong. I mean, even looking from this side, you can tell all that's holding it in is that one tab. So I think what I'm going to do is, well, now this, I guess this bent in the process of getting the bolts broken free, but that's fine. I got other screws. I think what I'm going to do now is I'm going to modify this to make it safe, even though I really don't even feel inclined to use this bracket at all anymore. But what I'm going to do is I have this piece of metal, which I'm going to enlarge that hole a bit and put it over there like that. So when that tab was to break free, this would be preventing it from going through that hole. And I don't know if these bolts, if you had a bigger bolt that was wider, this would be fine, or some kind of a washer there, this would be okay, but as it is, oh my goodness, that is totally not satisfactory. Okay, it's been modified now. I have this metal piece here, which is larger than the hole, so it's going to support it. And you can see now this will not move. This is strong. Just to offer some evidence that this is no exaggeration, I have got the scale out. Which is conveniently totally invisible on the camera for some reason. That's weird. Now it's visible. Okay, I'm going to put the fan on here, and look, this is a heavy fan. It's cast iron. 37 pounds. And that's just the fan. You put blades on there, you put a nice light on there, that's another 15-20 pounds. And then it's moving, and then you're pulling on a chain to control it, and you're going to hang that by a break-off tab on an electrical box? Good grief. And I'm not even a safety nut. That's just stupid. Some of these people that exist, like, they're physically with us, but there's nothing in their head.